If you're looking for a potential job up to $200 hour through PayPal, in this video I will show you how to make money from PayPal with a good strategy. To get started, go to the offerwallet.com website. There is a unique opportunity that allows you to publish a designed link that allows people to receive free funds in their PayPal accounts. Every participant who submits their email address gets paid. I will lead you to a series of options. There are two notable offers, one for a $500 PayPal gift cards and one for a $750 PayPal gift. You can participate in the latter by signing up with your email addresses for every email you receive due. Your efforts to earn $400 will take you through the effortless process of collecting 1,000 emails suitable for those who want to win a free $750 PayPal gift card by clicking on the 750 link. Takes you to the page where you earn $400 per email received. The next landing page is very important because when clicking on your affiliate link, respondents are asked to answer 3 questions, including do you use a cashback app, and then how old are you, how often do you use Facebook in a week, and participants must enter their first and last name and email address to be eligible for a chance to win a $750 PayPal cash program or gift card. The simplicity of the process underscores its accessibility and attractive. Now, as part of the next steps in this process, return to the previous page and process to choose the execution proposal. This will redirect you to the advertisers page where a quick registration process awaits you. After completing registration, and you will be given a unique link to enter your first and last name in the registration form. If you don't have a company name, you don't need to worry about the company name. If you don't have an internet address, a powerful tooling that enable people to get a chance to win $750 in free PayPal funds. You may be wondering where and how to share this link effectively to ensure thousands of submissions and earn $400 per email referral. Let's look at 2 key publishing platforms. The first platform is a great starting point where you can easily reach your first 100 engagements. On the other hand, the second platform promises a continuous flow of third and email, facilitating automatic passive income. Pilots this strategy approach ensures a dynamic and steady stream of participants to optimize your earning potential. It's the first Facebook platform to start your exploration by doing online community search on Facebook groups, especially public groups. It brings you to a large number of online communities that team up with people who are eager to make money. But it's very important to be thoughtful in choosing your group from the crowd. A golden opportunity to easily secure thousands of sign-up through your affiliate link, each one email entry, and therefore increasing your income. Help maximize your impact here by creating attention, grabbing post comments, and attract quick response. Emulate this approach, collect 50 and 100 comments in response to each comments Participants typically include their own relevant links. Take advantage of this opportunity to share your money link and reply to each comments. By repeating this process only 5 or 10 times, you can quickly collect 1,000 of participants who will click your link with your email gift. And finally, to your income helps. While this strategy is based on a single group, note that you can scale this approach by joining multiple groups, but some groups stand out as a significant choice because of their proven effectiveness. Another effective way to get thousands of people interested, especially during it take a long time to create a short video on YouTube. Especially if you don't have to worry about revealing your face to show off. Consider my search for free PayPal gift cards on YouTube. Videos like this one featured by a person, this content creator simply use a screen recording on their phone, showcase the website and explain the process to viewers. A simple and effective approach script like discover how to earn $750 free on PayPal by entering your email while displaying the relevant website, or by displaying a gift card if available. The power of these types of videos certainly lies in their potential to go viral and reach a wide audience.